Hi, it's Roger again from Ghost Bobo. Ghost Bobo is professional for the commercial boats. So this year we have released the first pilot boat, which is this one 11.5 meter with 3.6 meter catamaran. It's used for the pilot transfer between the pilot station to the big vessel. It is built for 6 pilot transfer with a toilet room. You can see the design of the boat is quite flat on the side, and we have also the rainbow, which is good for the rough seas. And you can see these channels all around the boat. It will be called a very heavy duty rubber fender with the foam inside. So this is for use alongside the big vessel. So make sure no damage the boat hull. Then you can see this is the deck of the boat. It's very high, so it's very easy for outside for the boarding and outboard from the big vessel. On the front of the handrail, the boat, and all around, like if it's the farmhouse. So we go to the back of the boat. This boat is designed for use twin Yamaha 350 horsepower engine. Number one. And now let's go on board for the interior of this boat today. On the back, in the middle, with the grab rails, heavy duty one, so very easy access. Here also with a ladder, so very easy for boarding like this. So what can be walked away from the boat side. Here a lot of space to access to the fuel tank, water tank. So this vessel is built to hold 620 liters fuel tank, 150 diesel tank, and about 200-liter water tank. So this will be all with a hatchet. This is the interior of this cabin. So on this rear of the boat, this will be the toilet room. This is when the rear aluminum hole. Inside with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spaces for the passengers. For passenger with a seat only. And on the ground, we have captain and co-captain. The seat over here. So when you're driving the boat, it's very good visibility from these areas. And you can see the boarding condition for the pilot. Also around with this grab rail, make very safety grab rail when you walk around the boat. And the front, they will be always glass windows. And so also when you sit here, with very good visibility on the side. So now let's see the walk around of this line. So you see a lot of grab rails make very safety for the pilot for on board. Also we have the grab rail on the roof. So follow me. See the pilot position. So when the vessel allows, this pilot boat alongside the big vessel, the pilot will be of the boarding or boarding from here. So this rail will be very important. And it's a really good space, very surface, easily working platform. So you can see from this angle, you can see the shape of this house is really nice, very fashion. A lot of ventilation, great visibilities. So this will be a perfect commercial boat, perfect pilot boat. So if you want to order the pilot boat, actual boat, we can custom design based on requirements and fabrication at our factory. This all about this video. So when the boat finish, I'll make another video to show all the things about this boat. Now it's the bare hull condition. So make sure you see before painting, you see all the finish will be perfect. Thank you. Bye bye.